All right, hi everyone. Welcome to summer AP Chemistry preparations. I am so glad to have you guys here. My name is Justin. I will be one of your instructors for this summer, and I'm glad you guys found your way to my Google Classroom. So you found yourself to the right place. That was the first hard test of the summer. So the purpose of this video here and the purpose of this announcement is just for me to give you guys some information about what to expect for this part of the summer, and also just give you a brief rundown of what to expect from me and the other instructor as well. So, like I said, my name is Justin. I'm one of your instructors, and this class has two instructors. So what happens is this class is 8 weeks long. It's an 8-week summer session. It starts from June 24th, and it goes all the way until late August. So what happens is for the first 4 weeks of the summer, because remember the whole summer is 8 weeks long, for the first 4 weeks, you're going to have me as your instructor. Then for the last 4 weeks, the final 4 weeks, you're going to have Safik, and he's the other instructor. And funny thing, he actually took my class last year before he took AP Chemistry this year. So he just finished AP Chemistry now. He's coming back as my business partner. So he's got all the content fresh in his mind and ready to help you out. So we're going to make a team this summer. All right, so that's the basic structure. Now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my portion of the class. So my part of the class, remember I said the first 4 weeks, is going to run from June 24th to July 25th. All right? Now, a little bit about how I run my portion of the class. So this is my second year teaching the class, and last year what I did was I held classes online through Google Meet or Zoom sometimes. It was online every Monday night and Thursday night. And what would happen is the classes were synchronous. So I would post the link to the Google Meet, everyone would sign on, and we would hold classes live on Monday nights and Thursday nights. However, this summer, it's a little bit of a change. I'm trying something new. This summer, I'm going to be in Colorado for the entire summer working as a medical assistant at an overnight summer camp. So unfortunately, that means I won't have a regular schedule to hold meetings like I did last year. But I did come up with a solution that I believe will be just as good. So what's going to happen is that for the first 4 weeks during my section, I'm going to hold classes online, but they're going to be asynchronous. And what that means is asynchronous, it means that they're still going to be online, but we're not going to have live class meetings. And so what I'm going to do is on Monday mornings and Thursday mornings, I'm going to post a pre-recorded lecture from last year. So I'm going to post the exact lesson videos that I used to teach my class last year. So I'm going to post those in the mornings, and I'm also going to post the materials with that as well. So the lesson templates, the worksheets, the homeworks. And what you guys are going to do is, I'll show you right here. This is what a lesson template's going to look like. So when I post the video, underneath the video, you're going to see a PDF that looks just like this. There are notes that go along with the lessons. What you're going to want to do is, when you watch the videos, you want to have this out. You want to print this out and have it next to you and have a pen or pencil. And as you watch the videos, you guys are going to take notes on this lesson template and fill it out as you go along. All right? And this, like I said, has everything. It starts with the lecture content, and then it goes into the back where it has the worksheet problems for the days and also the homework for the day. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to fill this out, watch the videos, fill this out. You're going to do the worksheets, and then you're going to do the homeworks, and then you're going to take a picture of the homework, and you're going to submit it onto Google Classroom under the assignment that I posted it as before the next class, which is when the homework is due. And then after the homework is due, I'll post the answer key, and you guys can check your homework to see if you got them correct or incorrect. All right, so far so good. And what happens is, like I said, I post these videos and lecture notes every Monday morning and Thursday morning. It is so crucial for you guys to do the video within 2 or 3 days after it's posted. because since these are recorded videos from last year, they take up a lot of storage space, so I can't keep posting them all as we go along the summer. So as I post one, I'm going to delete the previous one that I posted. So it's important that you guys do them the day that they're posted or the day after. All right? So if I post something Monday, you want to try to get it done before Thursday, because on Thursday the next video is going to post, and then you want to work on that until the next day, the next Monday. And another reason being is that my material, since I do cover the first 4 weeks of the summer, my videos are completely used in Sodfik's part of the class. So it's important that you guys understand my half of the class well, because if you don't, all that material is going to snowball and it's going to roll into the second part of the class, because the second instructor, Sodfik, he assumes that you guys have already covered the material I covered. So his material builds on my material. So it's so important that you guys keep up with the work as we go along and you understand what we're doing. All right? And these videos, I know this is a rather unfamiliar style of teaching, but these videos are the exact same videos, the exact same lessons that I delivered to my students last summer. So you guys can be rest assured that you guys are getting the exact same quality education that they got last year. All right? So a little bit about me, about my teaching style, as you'll see in the videos. I like to make jokes. I like to have a good time. You know, I like to interact with my students and make the class fun. I kind of run it like a stand-up comedy show, is what people have kind of told me. However, I did learn over years of teaching algebra and middle school math over the summer that if you show up on the first day and all you do is make jokes, people get the wrong impression and they drop the class very quickly. So bear with me. The videos that I post along the summer will get funnier and funnier as we go along. So I hope that even if you hate chemistry, or you watch the first few videos and you say chemistry sucks, I hope you continue watching them, at least for the jokes, for the comedic effect. And of course, it's always important to follow along. Follow along with your lesson notes, so that when you guys get to the second instructor, when you get to Sodfik's half of the class, you guys will have a good foundation and you guys will be able to progress on and into the school year when you take AP Chemistry. All right? So that's pretty much my half of the class. I know that it's really different, this type of online learning, compared to what you guys have done in the past and in school, but there are a couple benefits I found to doing the class asynchronous like this, because I remember last summer, some of my students said the lectures went a little quickly when they held them live in person on Google Meets. So I'm hoping that if I post the videos pre-recorded for you guys can pause the video if I go too fast, to rewind it if I said something too quickly, just to make sure you guys are caught up along with the videos. And another key perk is that last year there were students who did want to sign up for AP Chem preparations, but they had a time conflict, so they couldn't make my Monday, Thursday night meetings because they had some activity or some sport or some family conflict at that time. So I hope that by posting these videos pre-recorded, it'll give you guys more flexibility to do the work whenever you want, because we're all busy this summer. We all have jobs and commitments, studying, SAT, AP pre-work, or whatever. So if I post the videos like this, you could in theory do them at midnight or mid-morning or whenever you guys want. So I hope this makes it more flexible. Now, since we don't have in-person meeting or synchronous face-to-face meetings, though, if you guys have any questions at any point during the summer, please feel free to email me. My email is attached to the syllabus. It's attached to the document. It's on the Google Classroom, too, if you look long and hard. So please reach out to me an email. The Wi-Fi in Colorado might be a little spotty, but I will do my best to get back to you within 12 or 24 hours, as soon as I can, maybe even faster. All right? So that's my half of the class, from June to July. Sodfik's part of the class is from July to August. And this is the key distinction between my part of the class and his part of the class. My part of the class, you guys do not have to join for regular scheduled meetings. For Sadvik's part of the class, you guys do. He will be holding online meetings, which he will send the links out on the day of the meeting. And he'll reach out via email once his part of the class gets a little closer to give you guys more information. But just so you know, his section of the class, you guys will be meeting online through Zoom or Google Meet. All right. As I said, please feel free to email me at any point in the summer. I love working with students. That's why I do this for free and no extra cost. And I hope you guys have a good summer despite your busy schedules with SATs and APs and things like that. So with that, I look forward to working with you all. Please, I think it's in the announcement. One of the first assignments is to just record a little video of yourself, introducing yourself to me. Please do those videos because I really do like to see my students and get to know them on a personal level. I'm looking forward to working with you all. I will post the first video lesson on Monday, which is June 24th, I believe. But until then, I hope you enjoy the start of your summer and your time off from high school. So good luck with everything, and nice to meet you all.